How's it, guys? So are we ready to do our make your own sun catcher? Here's hoping for the best. So this looks very straightforward. We've got our butterfly and our bird, and then we've got our paint, which is yellow, blue, green and pink, and then we've got like something similar to a paintbrush, but it's more like a stick that you dip into the paint and you color the different sections. So let's get started. Next up, we've got our butterfly. And we are done. That was actually very quick. The whole process I think took me like 10 minutes, but I had to speed it up a bit for you guys. So let's have a closer look at both. Here's our little pretty bird. And our little cute butterfly. I think I made some good choices with the color. I think I might actually use these two, maybe as keychains or something. But definitely recommend this for any kid. That will keep them busy for a while, I think, and also give them the opportunity to get creative and paint, whichever color they want. So I hope you guys enjoyed this clip, and until next time, cheers guys.